An outbreak of a debilitating coughing condition has killed one baby and made 50 more people unwell at a popular European holiday hotspot in 2024. Since the beginning of the year, pertussis, which is commonly known as whooping cough, has claimed 2 lives in Greece, one being a newborn baby and the other an adult with underlying health conditions. Greece's public health authority has confirmed that there has been 54 cases of the condition since the beginning of 2024, reports the Mirror. 32 of these cases are children and teenagers and 11 of these were babies, according to newspaper Akathi Thimarini. The symptoms, which include long coughing fits where a whooping sound can be heard in the chest, are commonly known to be most risky to young children and babies. Irini Agapadaki, Greece's health minister, has warned tourists to vaccinate against this illness due to the current surge in cases in the country. Greece is one of multiple European countries that has been affected by a rise of reports of whooping cough, as Croatia, Norway and Spain have also announced a recent surge too. The European Centre for Disease Prevention and Control (ECDC) confirmed that a large amount of cases have been detected in babies under the age of 3 months. The ECDC explained, pertussis, as whooping cough is also known, is an endemic disease worldwide, even in the presence of a program with high vaccination coverage, with peaks in disease spread every 3 to 5 years. The current increase is potentially linked to lower circulation during the COVID-19 pandemic, combined with suboptimal vaccination uptake in certain groups. Infants and young children who are too young to be fully vaccinated have also been affected, including several deaths. A record-breaking number of whooping cough cases were detected in Czechia in 2024, with 3,101 in total between January to March. This is the largest number the country has seen in 60 years. Croatia has seen 6,261 cases of the condition between January 2023 and March 15 this year. Another 822 records of whooping cough were registered in Denmark. Norway has confirmed 707 cases in total, with the Netherlands reporting 1,749 cases of pertussis. In Spain, there were a whopping 5,242 cases reported up to March 2024. People across the UK were also recently warned to stay at home if they have been hit with whooping cough. The 100-day cough, which can be difficult to spot due to its symptoms being similar to the common cold, is a bacterial infection of the lungs and breathing tubes. The contagious condition can cause a sore throat, runny nose and a high temperature. In January alone, 533 cases of the condition were recorded in Britain compared to 858 cases for the entirety of 2023. Brits have been told to stay at home and do not go into work, school or nursery until 48 hours after starting antibiotics, or 3 weeks after symptoms start if they have not had antibiotics. Red flag symptoms of whooping cough: intense coughing fits that may last for several minutes, often followed by whooping sound as the person gasps for air. The whoop isn't always present in every case, especially in infants and vaccinated individuals. Coughing bouts can be severe enough to cause vomiting, exhaustion, and difficulty breathing. Coughing may be more frequent at night, causing sleep disturbances between coughing episodes. The person may appear well, which can make diagnosing the condition challenging. In 2023, the NHS identified the 5 key signs of whooping cough, which are coughing bouts lasting for a few minutes and are worse at night, coughs that make a whoop sound, a gasp for breath between coughs, difficulty breathing after coughs, which could lead to turning blue or gray in young infants, bringing up a thick mucus, which can lead to vomiting, turning very red in the face. Join the Daily Record WhatsApp community. Get the latest news sent straight to your messages by joining our WhatsApp community today. You'll receive daily updates on breaking news as well as the top headlines across Scotland. No one will be able to see who is signed up, and no one can send messages except the Daily Record team. All you have to do is click here. If you're on mobile, select Join Community and you're in. If you're on a desktop, simply scan the QR code above with your phone and click Join Community. We also treat our community members to special offers, promotions, and adverts from us and our partners. If you don't like our community, you can check out anytime you like. To leave our community, click on the name at the top of your screen and choose Exit Group. If you're curious, you can read our privacy notice. Don't miss the latest news from around Scotland and beyond. Sign up to our daily newsletter.